Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Shiba. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. At the top, let's draw two small points up, and then one more on both sides. Now let's curve it outwards. And then curve it out and back in at the ends. And one more curve point underneath. And now let's curve it down and in on both sides. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve across for the top of the nose. And then curve it down, forming a rounded triangle shape. And color the nose in black. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and curve it out on both sides. Next, let's hop out and let's draw two circles for the eyes. And then color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the ears. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and out on both sides. And then curve it back down. Now inside, let's draw a curve up. Then from the top, let's bring it down. And then add a few zigzag lines back down like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the collar. We'll start by adding a curve across underneath the head. Now let's draw a line down underneath on the left. And the same thing on the right, but a little bit closer towards the center. And then a curve across underneath. Now inside the collar, underneath the nose, let's draw two lines down. And then a small line down underneath, and then a heart shape. And that's it for the collar. Now let's start drawing the body. On the right side, let's draw a long curve down. Now for the foot, let's curve it down, over to the left, and back up. And then a curve down for the other side of the leg. Now inside the foot, let's draw two small curves for the toes. Now we're going to hop over to the left and let's draw two curves down on an angle for the next leg. And then let's curve it down and back up for the foot. And again, two curves at the bottom. Now in between the legs here, let's draw a curve across for the belly. And that's it for the front legs. Now we're going to move to the left and draw the back one. Let's start at the top next to the collar and let's draw an angle down. And then curve it in. Now let's continue the line by curving it over to the leg and add another curve on top. And add 2 curves inside for the toes. Now on top of the foot, let's draw a curve up and then curve it out at the top here. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start on top of the body on the left and let's draw a wavy line up and then curve it down at the top. Now let's draw another small curve outwards and a wavy line down and back in. And that's it for this cute Shiba dog. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!